Hi, in this video, let me show you how to turn your app icons on the home screen of your iPhone 17 dark. Step number one is, well, to simply keep press anywhere on the home screen of your iPhone 17e where there is no app, mostly in the bottom. Keep press until the icons start shaking. Then you're going to press edit on the top left corner, customize, select dark, and just like that, all your icons are now dark or black, whatever you want to call this. If you don't want to see the name of each apps under, so those icons takes more space, tap this button over here. It removes the name and it makes them bigger. You also have other options, for example, tinted, dark, and now they will be dark, but you can change the tint, which could make them look cooler depending what you're trying to achieve. Okay, so once you're happy with the result, simply tap anywhere on the display, not over here, and this menu disappears and your app icons will stay dark the way you have selected. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if this was helpful. Leave a comment if you don't like my video, but just tell me why. I'm really curious. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.